Assalamu alaikum to everyone who is watching this video lecture. This is Vakar from Camera International Science College at Talagam. Welcome to all the student classroom training ki video lecture. I hope you would be fine and you would have prepared all the lecture whether they were delivered by me or Sir Mumtaz. Dear student, as you know very well that I was talking about a part of speech which is an important part of speech, noun. We have already covered 4 types of noun in first lecture which was related to noun. You have gotten the intro of noun by me. So right now in this lecture you are going to be learn about another type which is known as the name of compound noun. Before this you have covered 4 types, one proper and the second one common and the third one material and the fourth one was also you have covered, उसको भी आप covered कर चुके हैं. So dear student, collective noun, that was collective noun. So dear student, in this lecture you can learn about compound noun. What is compound noun? When we say the word compound, it means that it is the mixture of something. When somebody is pronouncing the word compound, it means that it is the mixture of something. Here when we say compound noun, it means here more than one nouns are combined or together. एक से ज़्यादा नामों को हमने क्या किया है, and when more than one names or nouns are together they become compound. वो क्या बन जाते हैं? compound. तो यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं and it is also called group. When more than one nouns are combined together they become a group. So here we are talking about group which consists of noun. यहाँ पे हम ऐसे group की बात कर रहे हैं which is consisted of noun, जो कि noun के ऊपर क्या है? मुश्तमिल है. So right now you can look here that what is the definition or intro of the compound noun. The group of a noun, the group, collection of noun is called a compound noun. It is a very simple definition. There is no hesitation or there is no confusion in this. So you just have to focus on it. Very simple definition. The group of a noun is called a compound noun. It means when more than one nouns are combined or together in one group, so that group is called compound noun. So here I am going to take some example to elaborate it in effective manner. So before moving toward the examples, you can take a screenshot. It will be beneficial for making or preparing the notes. Dear student, I hope you would have taken a screenshot. So let me explain some examples. She is a housewife. So you can see here there are 2 names, house and wife. They are combined. Then it becomes a one name, housewife. She is a housewife. So it has become a one noun here. So it has become it has become one noun after merging these 2 names, house and wife. When these 2 names are merged or combined or together, so they produce in one. वो क्या कहलाएगा? Housewife. So housewife is taken as compound noun because it has been made by combining or joining 2 nouns, house and wife. So in this example, she is a housewife. Housewife is taken as compound noun. Take a screenshot. Let's take some other examples. He is brother-in-law. So here you can see there are two names, brother in law. So these two names are together, then becomes a one name. He is brother-in-law. So here brother-in-law is taken as compound noun. It will be included in the category of compound noun. So take another example which will be helpful to explain this topic effectively. He likes to playing football. So here you can see foot and ball combine or together. There are two names, foot and ball. Foot and ball. So foot and ball are together, and here is made one word which will be called football. So two names are merged together, two names are combined together, and we have gotten a name, football. So football is taken in this sentence as, dear student, compound noun. So take a screenshot. I hope you would have taken screenshots. You would have covered this topic effectively. So right now I'm moving toward the sixth type, which is known as the name of abstract noun. It is not asps, it is abstract. What it means when we call abstract noun? There are three main things. Number one, action. Number two, state. And number three, quality. You have cooped with these things so many times in your life. Quality, action, state. These three terms you have cooped many times in your life. So right now we are talking about these three terms, that in what category these three terms are included. What are the purpose of these three terms, and what are these three terms? So dear student, when we talk about abstract noun, these three terms are included in it. These three things, these three types, these three states, these three, you can also say, terms are included in abstract noun. These three terms are the part of abstract noun. So here we are going to write a definition. It means abstract noun. It is the name of quality, a state, or an action. In this category, we are going to take state, action, and so here I am going to take an example. When we talk about action, state, or quality, what it means? Action means laughter, it is an action. Hatred, it is also an action. Love, it is also an action. State, death, childhood, poverty, sickness, etc. All these terms or words are included in the form of state. Quality, you know very well, wisdom, intelligence, bravery, etc. These are included in the list of quality. So here I have already mentioned the word which can be included in the list of action, state, and quality. And when we express these words in a sentence, that sentence must have a abstract noun. तो उसके अंदर कोई ना कोई abstract noun must होगा. इसका एक स्क्रीनशॉट. I hope you would have taken a screenshot. So I'm moving toward the examples which will be beneficial to understand this topic in effective manner. So right now I'm going to take some example which are related to this topic. Number 1, he hated me. So here hatred, it is an action. So it is taken as, when we are talking about noun, here I am not talking about verb. It is also a verb, but I am not talking about verb. I am going to indicate abstract noun. When you are being asked about noun, so here you are not going to take hatred as a verb. You are going to indicate hatred as a noun. And what type of noun is it? It is an abstract noun. His wisdom is amazing. So here wisdom is, what is it? It is action. It is an action, and it is quality. It is quality, and quality is included in abstract noun. Here take another example. He is living in poverty. So poverty is a state, So it will be taken in as a abstract. So with the help of example, it has been narrated that quality, action and state are the part of an abstract noun. So dear student, I hope you would have understood this topic in effective manner. Stay with me in upcoming lectures. Take care of yourself and your family. Bye. Allah Hafiz.